Welcome back to the channel. In today's deep dive, we're covering not one but two major altcoins that are attracting serious attention in May 2025, Stellar, XLM, and Onyxcoin, XCN. We'll analyze current prices, trading volumes, market caps, technical indicators, sentiment, and give you a full breakdown of where both coins could be headed next. Whether you're a day trader, HODLer, or just crypto curious, this is the altcoin update you don't want to miss. Let's go. Real utility. Real momentum trading volume of Stellar XLM. In the past 24 hours, Stellar has clocked in $86.4 million in trading volume, a 12.5% drop from the previous day. This decrease might look bearish at first glance, but low volume periods can often precede explosive moves as traders wait for a breakout signal. The range we're watching? 25 cents on the low side, 135 on the high. If volume surges, that breakout can happen fast. Current price of Stellar XLM. As of this moment, XLM is trading at 0.1307. It's been consolidating in a tight range for over a week now, teasing traders with that classic low volatility squeeze. The 0.35 resistance level is key. Break it and we could easily see a 10 to 15% rally. Fail and it might slide back to retest 117s. Stellar's market cap and FDV market cap, $3.7 billion. Fully diluted valuation, $6.5 billion. This places Stellar firmly in the top 40. The protocol's transparent supply model, paired with real-world use in cross-border payments, keeps institutional investors interested. Technical indicators RSI 47, neutral. MACD, approaching bullish crossover, Bollinger Bands. Tightening, breakout ahead. If momentum builds and Bitcoin holds above key support, Stellar could spike to 0.5.160 by the end of May. Sentiment and use case? XLM continues to gain real-world traction. NGO partnerships for global aid, USDC settlement on-chain, integration into fintech wallets in Latam and Africa. On Reddit and Twitter, sentiment is cautiously bullish, with 61% of posts leaning positive. MetaMask compatibility. While XLM isn't native to MetaMask, you can still hold wrapped XLM, WXLM in your wallet, add VRS20 contract, use bridges or DeFi apps. For native XLM use cases, go with Lobster or Solar Wallet. XLM made 2025 forecast bearish, neutral 130.135 bullish, near 125 plus. Part 2. Onyxcoin, small cap with big moves. Now let's shift gears to Onyxcoin XCN, a lower cap altcoin that's been making serious waves in May 2025. This token's strong tech roadmap, rising volume, and upcoming governance upgrades are getting attention from both traders and long-term believers. Onyxcoin, trading volume. In the last 24 hours, XCN recorded $3.65 million in trading volume. That's a massive 204% increase from the day before. That's not just volatility, that's interest. This kind of volume spike usually signals early-stage accumulation or a coordinated move by smart money. Either way, it's worth watching. Current price of XCN right now, Onyxcoin is trading at 0.008653. For many traders, that sub-penny price is an attractive entry, especially when combined with technical momentum and upcoming events. The short-term target for bulls is $0.01, a level it briefly tested before rejecting. If it breaks and holds that, the next targets are 0.14 and 0.017. XCN market cap and FDV market cap. $25.67 million, fully diluted valuation, $86.51 million. Compared to XLM's multi-billion-dollar valuations, XCN looks tiny, but that also means huge upside if it continues to grow. This is the classic small-cap opportunity. Yes, it comes with higher risk, but if the fundamentals keep improving and sentiment holds, 2x, 3x runs aren't uncommon in this cap range. May price action. While Stellar cooled off this month, XCN has gained over 40% in the first 2 weeks of May. Traders are starting to take notice, especially with XCN consistently ranking in the top trending coins on platforms like CoinGecko and DEX tools. What's fueling the XCN rally? MetaMask integration. Users can now add Onyxcoin directly to MetaMask thanks to its EVM compatibility. Governance upgrade. A major DAO voting mechanism is coming to the Onyx protocol later this month, and token holders will get a voice about Goliath mainnet on the horizon. The team has hinted at the final phase of testnet wrapping up soon. If that goes live, it could change the game for adoption. Technical indicators for XCN RSI, above 60, bullish territory MACD, already in bullish crossover, price structure. Higher lows, strong support near $0.07. The structure looks primed for continuation. However, watch the volume. If it drops off too fast, we could see a retrace to 0.0507. Sentiment and community. The Onyxcoin community is small but growing rapidly. Telegram groups have doubled in size in the past month, and social media mentions have spiked 3x according to Lunar Crush. XCN has also started to appear on watch lists of mid-tier YouTubers and TikTok traders, which often precedes a bigger retail wave. If the project delivers on the DAO and mainnet timelines, expect sentiment to continue heating up. Inflation and tokenomics. Onyxcoin has an inflation rate of 13.29%, which is high compared to blue-chip coins. However, the team plans to implement a token burn mechanism in Q3 2025 to offset long-term inflation. There's also talk of a staking model that will reward long-term holders, a move that could help lock up supply and support price growth. XCN May 2025 price forecast. Here's where analysts and traders are placing their bets for the rest of May. Bearish case, 0.068 if volume collapses. Neutral base, 0.85.0.9 current consolidation. Bullish breakout, 4.018 if mainnet or DAO launch goes well. While it's riskier than Stellar, the reward-to-risk ratio is higher, making it appealing to aggressive traders looking for momentum plays. So what's the verdict? Stellar XLM is the safe, stable player, backed by years of credibility, real-world integrations, and a $3.7 market cap. It's ideal for long-term investors looking for slow but steady growth. Onyxcoin XCN is the fast mover. High risk, high reward, and backed by growing volume and upcoming utility upgrades. If you're hunting for a small cap alt with momentum, this one belongs on your radar. Diversify wisely. A balanced portfolio might include both, a blue chip like Stellar and a high upside alt like Onyxcoin. Call to action. If you got value from this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on XLM or XCN this month? We've got more altcoin breakdowns coming soon, so stay tuned and stay sharp. Until next time, keep stacking, stay vigilant, and don't get rugged.